Hi guys, in this video we're going to explain the process in order to load up ex4 files on a Mac. This is slightly different to loading MQ4 files. The process is slightly more long-winded, but once you get the hang of it, it's very easy. I'm going to start by opening up my MT4 platform. The ex4 file is currently situated on my desktop and it's the pivots that I'm interested in. As you can see, the indicators that MT4's provided me with here don't include the pivots, and it's a very useful indicator that many traders are very keen to get involved with. I'm going to very simply begin by going to Go on the top. I'm going to need to click Option in order to activate an extra option of the list that's already available to me. It's very important that you do this because as you do that, you'll see Library appear. Had I not clicked Option, Library would not be there for me to select. So I'm going to hold down Option and click left click, and you can see that multiple applications have now opened up in my library. I'm going to double click Application Support and then search for my platform, or my broker should I say. It's going to start with MetaTrader and then MT4, and I'm just going to very simply double click that and drive C. Perfect. Now you may need to go to Wine Bottler or occasionally Program Files. Now this depends on which broker that you're with. In our case we're with MetaTrader, so double click Wine Bottler, and we've now opened up our MT4 file. If you did want to load a template, you'd do it by very simply clicking this, opening this template folder and dragging the file into it. However, in our case, for an ex4 file, we're going to need to go to MQL4 and then onto Indicators. Okay, and as you can see, these are all the current indicators that are already given to us via MT4, and we need to insert our pivot points ex4 file into this folder. You can simply drag that file and drop it in. Now it's probably worthwhile you clicking Option and doing this at the same time, and as you can see, it's appeared here, pivotpoints.ex4. Perfect. At this stage, we now need to restart our MT4 platform. This is very, very important, so we can just quit and reopen it. If you were to forget to do this step, unfortunately the pivots wouldn't appear in your indicators list. So restarting our MT4 platform. Perfect. And as you can see on my indicators on the left-hand side, they're all placed alphabetically. The pivot points have now appeared. I can simply drag this onto my chart and let go. I may choose to change the colors or have it on different time frames, for example, by clicking the colors tab or visualization tab, for example. Currently it's set to all time frames, which I'm quite happy with. And I'm simply going to click OK, and my pivots have now appeared. We can do this for all the particular charts that you're interested in analyzing, and that is the process of loading up ex4 files on a Mac.